There we go. Hi! I'm going to be turning these Converse into sandals, so let's go. See, I have these old Converse, but I don't need them anymore because I got new shoes, so we're going to be turning these into sandals. I'm a professional, so, don't judge. I'm good at this. I'm a professional at turning Converse into sandals. So this is difficult, but I will do it till the end of time. Make sure to like and subscribe. Haha. There we go. Making progress. As you can see, these are high quality sandals that I am making. Gotta reuse, recycle, am I right? You might have thought these shoes were never going to be used again, but they're being turned into sandals. A good use for old shoes. This is some tough fabric. Okay, this doesn't want to cut. I will get it cut though. Gotta need some pizza rolls. Aha! Okay. Now, I'm a professional, so don't try this at home, kids. These shoes are too small anyway, so good use of shoes. Oh wow, it's truly beautiful so far. See, already this is an amazing creation. So I'm gonna continue now. Just start making some cuts over here. How am I gonna do this? Okay. Some good progress. See, the thing I need to do is cut through this rubber, which is gonna be difficult. I'm gonna get a knife. Where's my knife? Where did I put it? I'm not sure where I put my knife. Where is my... I can't find my knife. This is making things more difficult. Guess I'm gonna have to stick with the scissors and see what they can do. Okay, well, let's continue. Oh, I'm just gonna First of all, I need to cut this out. There we go. Got rid of this unneeded. Let's see how nice these are now. Yeah, I think these are some high quality shoes, you know? No, I think Converse should make these themselves. Oh, hi. I finished my Converse sandals, and I think they're pretty nice. You know, I bet I could pitch to the company these amazing shoes. You know, I bet these would sell well on the market, you know? See, look how they're stylish, you know? Unique. I think they do well. Nice Converse sandals. An amazing creation. We should be selling these across the world, you know? They would do amazing. These are good pizza rolls. You should try